This is why you should always check your closet. It was a night like any other, or so I thought. I couldn't have been more wrong. As I turned off the lights and lay in bed to drift off to sleep, a strange noise startled me. There it was again. It echoed from deep within my bedroom's closet, an eerie shuffling behind the door. My heart pounded as I slowly crept towards the closet and reached for the handle. What if something's lurking inside? I thought. With one swift motion, I threw open the door and nothing but an empty space where clothes normally hung and shoes were neatly lined up on the floor of what seemed like a never-ending void with no end in sight, until the floor suddenly caved in beneath me. Stuck in this place devoid of light and hope, I saw two faint red eyes moving closer, each second closer, until they engulfed me entirely.